Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be this DIY unicorn costume. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, starting off with items I already had. This unicorn shirt came from Target, and these rainbow leggings was from Target as well, and this rainbow tutu was gifted. So like in my previous video, I'm going to be using this 3-piece accessory unicorn kit from Family Dollar for only $5. Okay guys, on to makeup. I'm going to start out by brushing up her brows. I'm going to be using this shimmer eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this pink shadow with purple undertones and apply that to both of her lids. From that same palette, I'm going to be adding a deeper purple shimmer shade to the outer corner of her eyelid. So next I'm going to apply this blue shimmer shade from that same palette as her brow highlight. And I wish I would have used a white base, you guys, because you guys can't really see the shadows that good. So if you're going to do this, I recommend that you use a white base. From that same palette, I'm going to be applying this shimmer purple shade to the apples of her cheeks. Next, I'm going to be applying Candy Yum Yum by MAC as her lip color, and I'm going to be applying that with a lip brush. I wish I would have did a purple bottom lip and a pink top lip because I think that would have been cute, but you guys can try that out. I'm going to be taking this white shimmer pigment and applying it to her nose to give her a highlight. I'm going to be applying that same pigment to the top of her cheekbone. All right, you guys, and she is done. This is a simple, easy Halloween costume that you can just put together at the last minute. And if you don't want to pay a whole bunch for a costume, just visit your local Family Dollar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye-bye.